Ever locked eyes with a crow and felt like it judging us? Crows possess a remarkable cognitive prowess that rivals some primates. These aren't just your average bird brains. These feathered friends are capable of complex problem-solving, intricate communication, and even tool use. Scientists have been increasingly amazed by the depth of crow intelligence, overturning our preconceived notions about the avian world. Their brain-to-body ratio is closer to that of chimpanzees than other birds, giving them a mental edge. So, the next time you see a crow, remember you're observing a creature of surprising smarts. Let's delve into the fascinating world of crow intelligence and uncover the secrets behind their remarkable minds. One of the most striking aspects of crow intelligence is their problem-solving ability. They adapt, learn, and innovate. In experiments, crows dropped stones into a pitcher to raise the water level and drink. This shows their understanding of cause and effect. Their skills extend beyond the lab. Crows use breadcrumbs as fish bait, drop nuts on roads for cars to crack, and wait for traffic lights to change before retrieving food. These examples show their adaptability and quick thinking. Forget the simple caw-caw you might associate with crows. Their vocal repertoire is surprisingly complex and nuanced. Crows use a variety of calls, each with specific meanings and purposes. Researchers have identified calls for alarm, assembly, courtship, and even individual recognition. These vocalizations aren't just instinctive, they're learned and can vary between different crow populations. Imagine a regional dialect, but for birds. Furthermore, crows use gestures and body language to communicate, enhancing their already impressive communication system. They can signal danger with specific wing postures, indicate food sources with head movements, and even engage in playful interactions with beak fencing. This sophisticated communication system highlights the social intelligence of crows and their ability to convey complex information within their communities. It's a reminder that the animal kingdom is full of hidden languages waiting to be deciphered. Tool use, once considered a uniquely human trait, is now recognized in various animal species, and crows are some of the most skilled practitioners. Their tool use goes beyond simply picking up an object. They often modify and select tools for specific tasks. The New Caledonian crow in particular takes the crown, pun intended, for avian tool use. These crows craft intricate hooked tools from twigs and leaves, using them to extract insects from hard-to-reach places. The remarkable part? This tool-making skill is passed down through generations, demonstrating cultural transmission of knowledge. But crows in other parts of the world aren't slouches either. They've been observed using sticks to probe for grubs, leaves to scoop up water, and even pieces of plastic to reach food in vending machines. This adaptability and ingenuity in tool use are a testament to the evolutionary success of crows and their ability to thrive in human-dominated landscapes. Section 5. Remembering faces, holding grudges, the remarkable memory of crows. If you've ever felt judged by a crow, you might not be wrong. Crows possess an uncanny ability to recognize and remember human faces, particularly those they associate with negative experiences. Studies have shown that crows can remember the faces of individuals who harass them, even years later. They'll even teach their offspring and flockmates to scold these dangerous humans, demonstrating a remarkable capacity for social learning and memory transmission. But their memory isn't limited to grudges. Crows can remember the faces of kind humans who provide them with food, and may even bring them gifts as a sign of appreciation. This ability to remember individual humans highlights the complex social cognition of crows and their understanding of the long-term consequences of their actions. So, the next time you encounter a crow, remember, they might just remember you too. Section 6. Murder. Most foul, the truth behind crow gatherings. The term "a murder of crows" might conjure up images of spooky gatherings and sinister intentions. However, the reality is far less ominous. Crows are highly social animals and often congregate in large groups known as roosts, especially during the winter months. These roosts can number in the thousands or even tens of thousands of birds and serve important social and survival functions. They provide warmth, safety in numbers, and opportunities for information sharing about food sources. The raucous calls and social interactions within a crow roost might seem chaotic, but they are essential for maintaining the social fabric of these intelligent birds. So, while a large gathering of crows might seem intimidating, it's simply a testament to their social nature and ability to thrive in groups. They're not plotting mischief, just catching up with their feathered friends. Feathered fortune-tellers, crows in mythology and culture. Crows have long captivated the human imagination, featuring prominently in mythology, folklore, and literature across various cultures. Often depicted as tricksters, messengers, or harbingers of change, crows hold a complex and often contradictory place in human belief systems. In some cultures, crows are associated with death and misfortune, while in others they represent wisdom, intelligence, and even good luck. Native American cultures, for example, often view crows as tricksters and creators, playing important roles in their creation myths. In Norse mythology, the god Odin is accompanied by two ravens, Hugin and Munin, who represent thought and memory, respectively. These contrasting interpretations reflect the intelligence and adaptability of crows, traits that have both intrigued and unnerved humans throughout history. Whether viewed as symbols of good or evil, crows continue to hold a powerful presence in our collective consciousness. Not just black and white. The diversity of crows around the world. When we think of crows, we often picture the familiar black-feathered birds common in North America and Europe. However, the crow family, known as Corvidae, is incredibly diverse, encompassing over 120 species found throughout the world. From the striking white-billed crow to the colorful jays and magpies, the Corvid family exhibits a remarkable range of physical adaptations and behaviors. Despite their differences, all corvids share intelligence, adaptability, and complex social structures. Exploring corvid diversity reveals their evolutionary success and ability to thrive in various habitats. Conservation conversation, ensuring the future of these brainy birds. Despite their intelligence and adaptability, crow populations, like many bird species, face threats from habitat loss, climate change, and human-wildlife conflict. As we continue to learn more about the remarkable cognitive abilities of crows, it becomes increasingly important to prioritize their conservation and ensure their survival for future generations. Supporting organizations involved in bird conservation, reducing our environmental impact, and promoting coexistence with wildlife are crucial steps in protecting these intelligent creatures. Educating others about the fascinating lives of crows and dispelling myths and misconceptions can also foster appreciation and encourage conservation efforts. By understanding and valuing the intelligence and ecological importance of crows, we can help ensure that these remarkable birds continue to grace our skies for years to come. Their future, much like ours, depends on our collective action and commitment to environmental stewardship. Crows, masters of adaptation and surprise. From their impressive problem-solving skills to their complex communication and social structures, crows continue to surprise and challenge our understanding of the animal world. Their ability to thrive in diverse environments, adapt to changing conditions, and even outsmart humans at times is a testament to their evolutionary success and remarkable intelligence. So the next time you encounter a crow, take a moment to appreciate the intelligence and adaptability of these extraordinary creatures. Their presence in our midst is a reminder that the natural world is full of wonder and that even the most familiar animals can hold hidden depths. Let's continue to learn from and be amazed by the feathered geniuses that share our planet. After all, who knows what other surprises crows and their corvid kin have in store for us?